megalayapost.news.
Uba bandari rintatiang ubadai orang ba senong ke senong maupun kesyad bad ubadairu Presiden ka Confederation of Riboy People COP ulai gejing publik kerpang ya ka sarkar jela baru ya ka sarkar India halor gejing syakhat kerpang sya gejing rakhi ya ka Republic Day Hanong ba Delhi kumurong ba senong ulai jing publik kerpang ru omtang bala syakhat sembah ha gejing rakhi ya ka Republic Day Hanong ba Delhi bad ulayok pediang ru ya ka Kusnam National Award kabade halor gejing penteri kambha ya ka skim Jal Jiwan Mission tingba ka Ministry ka Jal Shakti jong ka sarkar India bala asam ka Kusnam du Under Secretary ke Ministry ke Jal Shakti jong ka sarkar India ulai gejing publik kerpang ya barok ki badan bentah ka ban penteri kam ya ka skim ka bala long ka bajob kata nadu ka tanat PHE ki nong song ki officer ke bala dan bentah ka banya trelang ban penlong ya ketika kam ka bajob badru ba ka senong kan yok pediang ya ka Kusnam bala itu da ka sarkar India.
I, Shri Bandari Rintatiang, the Herman and Chairman of Mapulkshad Village, our Sanitation Committee, express great happiness toward the central government under the leadership of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji for implementing the Jal Jiwan Mission scheme. This scheme has made life easier for households in the village. In the past, villagers had to fetch water from distant sources, which affected their time, especially for school children. Some even had to rely on purchase water supply vehicle. However, things are much more convenient now as water is available directly in every household. The villages contribute 130 rupees per month to the WSC committee to maintain and manage the water supply system and ensure the smooth functioning of this essential service. Tulisya masukan ainu iblay tagrat mulai lambat pada nanti yang akan mengan sepi baiklah. Semua iblay gerbang ya ke PHE division Muslim tunjuk ya ke sub division PHE na Pumroy. Tiba apa kerja terengkan pada Isar Ilyus berak kasih balai sandur lang na adu for pas one next game adu bunda koi kum sikit tuyeng. Sebenarnya boleh kerpang pai ban senong antame ka WSC committee di balai sandur bani trelang da gaji setuju mun banara koi syakathom jom. Adu banganayo ya kenika award kedai betang gaji trelang ni pai ba senong. Amdan ye benong nak moi pan Blay kelum ya baru blay dan benta menyetrai nakamta kenika skim. Blay suwan.
megalayapost.news.